Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the worst week we had since 2014 for crypto overall, not just for SHIB. What does this mean? First 6-week losing streak since 2014 in crypto history, which is pretty insane. A lot of us expected the inflation to have a huge hit on crypto and SHIB overall, but I did not expect something like this. Nobody did. Clouds on horizon grew nearer as markets prepare for more inflation cues this week, and it might get worse for SHIB. After nearing to nearly 33,000 and it even dropped to 30,000, the largest cryptocurrency is giving market participants new and old a run for their money, and the fear is palpable. A brutal combination of macro cues which tend to continue this week and beyond. So 6 weeks closed in red for SHIB, and this is not looking good. It's the worst in the record. It printed a 17% loss for 4 years in a row prior to 2022. Bitcoin conversely saw gains of at least 32% in April, right? This year, it saw 17% loss. So same for SHIB. Last year, it saw huge gains in April. But this year, Shiba Inu did not see those gains that it saw back in 2021. It didn't even see the gains it saw back, 2020 when it didn't even exist yet. But instead, it got something much worse. It got a huge debt. And, a lot of people are not happy. A lot of people were not happy with what's happening. But you need to look at the bigger picture. Shiba Inu is still holding strong. Shiba Inu is still having these updates, which is really important. As you can see, we expect inflation to peak this summer between 6 to 7% and to recede to 3 to 4% with no recession. We may have spotted the first signs of peaking inflation already. So, if people are expecting recession, if recession happens, a lot of people are going to be in for a serious disappointment. And it's not going to be looking good. At 7.7 million Bitcoin are currently sitting in a loss. This is the highest amount since April 15th, 2020. That's almost 41% of the circulating supply. So we didn't see that before, but seems like inflation is seriously affecting Shiba Inu. And they're saying it will get even worse because it's not stopping inflation. Inflation is still getting stronger. But in the future, where is Shiba Inu going to go from here? Is it going to go up or down? Well, we are seeing right now that the traditional financial market equivalent, the Fear and Greed Index, is on 30 of 100 scale on fear on May 9th, which basically means that a lot of people are getting very afraid. And it could not be good. But let me know what your thoughts are. This is the worst week in history of Shiba Inu. We have never seen such drops big like this. Yeah, we saw drops even when trillions were burned. The losses were slower. The losses were slower, and I'm not kidding here. But what do you think? Do you think Shiba Inu is collapsing? Do you think Shiba Inu will rebound? Do you think Shiba Inu will just has to wait it out? Do you think Shiba Inu is going back to the doghouse, or do you think Shiba Inu is still holding strong? If you're with me, Shiba Army, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Again, we saw this back, and as Bitcoin goes up, Shiba Inu will stay forever. Same as Doge. Doge hit by half as well. Peace, everyone.